English fruit phrases. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about fruits. Simple, colorful vocabulary you can use every day when talking about food, drinks, and snacks. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story, Maria's fruit day. It's a bright Saturday morning. Maria goes to the local market to buy some fruit. Her grandma always told her, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." So Maria buys 2 big apples. Then she sees a bunch of bananas and puts them in her basket. "Great for breakfast," she says. At a juice stand, she orders a glass of orange juice. The seller smiles. "Freshly squeezed." Maria walks to another stall and finds a ripe mango. She touches it and says, "Perfect, soft, and sweet." Nearby, a little boy is eating grapes. Maria laughs, "I like grapes too." She then buys a small box of strawberries. She tastes one and says, Strawberries are sweet." Next, she sees a menu board. It says, "Pineapple juice, very refreshing." Maria says, "Okay, I'll take a pineapple juice too." Before going home, she buys a slice of watermelon, a lemon tea, and a small peach pie for dessert. Her basket is full, colorful, and heavy. She smiles and says, "Today is a fruity day, healthy and delicious." Now it's time for the Q&A mini story, Maria's fruit day. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Maria goes to the market. Where does Maria go? To the market. Why does she go there? To buy fruits. What day is it? Saturday. Her grandma said, "An apple a day." What fruit does Maria buy? Apples. How many apples? 2. Does she buy oranges first? No, apples. She sees a bunch of bananas. What does she see? A bunch of bananas. Where does she put them? In her basket. What does she say? Great for breakfast. At the juice stand, what does she order? A glass of orange juice. Is it freshly squeezed? Yes. Who gives it to her? The juice seller. She finds a ripe mango. What kind of mango? A ripe mango. How does she check it? She touches it. How does it feel? Soft and perfect. A little boy eats grapes. What fruit is the boy eating? Grapes. Does Maria like grapes? Yes. What does she say? I like grapes too. She buys strawberries. How do strawberries taste? Sweet. What does Maria say? Strawberries are sweet. Does she like them? Yes. Maria buys pineapple juice next. What juice does she buy? Pineapple juice. Is it refreshing? Yes. Does she buy apple juice? No. Before going home, what does she buy? A slice of watermelon. What drink does she buy? A lemon tea. What dessert does she buy? A peach pie. How does she feel at the end? Happy and healthy. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about fruits, try K. Today you practiced phrases like an apple a day, a bunch of bananas, a ripe mango, a glass of orange juice, a slice of watermelon, a pineapple juice, a lemon tea, and a peach pie. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.